As it says here, if you haven't done so already, click on the gear icon to update your profile information because all of this information will be included in your email. The first thing you'll want to do is enter a description. You can simply enter the address of the property or whatever you prefer. The second thing you'll do is enter the MLS ID number for the property. A box will open, and accepting the terms means that you have permission to advertise the property. The next item is the optional logo. By clicking the box, your logo will appear at the top of the email. We'll just leave that off because you'll see all your contact information will be at the bottom of the email, and this way, the first thing the recipient will see is the photo. Next, you can enter a short listing title. Click on the photo you want to use. Now you can see the listing remarks were automatically imported, but you can edit this information in any way you like. The next item is the URL link to the listing. It imported the single property website for the property. This, of course, means that you'll need to set up your single property website before setting up the email. Just look for that video and the MLS training link on the FGC MLS dashboard to get that set up very easily. You do have the option to override that and drive traffic directly to your website. In that case, go to your website and locate the property details for the listing, and then copy the URL. Then just paste the URL into this field. We'll just leave it with the single property website. It's a great page to highlight the property, and there's several contact forms to generate leads. Next, you have the option to add a button allowing the recipient to view similar properties. When they click on it, it will redirect them to properties on your website. What you'll do is your website and enter search criteria similar to the email listing. When the results screen appears, simply copy the URL. Now go back and paste it into the field. Now you can click on Create Email. You'll see the new email at the bottom of the screen. You can click on the email's HTML link to view it. And here's how the email will appear to your recipients. You have the photo and basic details about the listing, the title you entered, and then the listing remarks. Here's a button to view the listing details. And the new window opens on the property details page. Clicking on View Similar Properties opens the results screen that you select. We'll close that. Now here you can see the email code. If you click on that, it will open the HTML code. You can copy the code and use it in MailChimp or Constant Contact, for example. Then open our email platform. We'll click on Custom Code. When the editor opens, we'll delete what's here and paste our HTML code. Now we'll select Preview and review how the email will look. If you happen to get an error message, just click on Fix This for me. Now you can go ahead and send the email. Another option is to send the email to one person or just a few people and use Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or some other email provider. Just click on the HTML link and copy the email. Then, open your email and paste it. You might need to hold your Control or your Command key and the V as in victory key to paste the email. Of course, add in your recipients and a subject line, and you're ready to send the email. Finally, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see when your emails were created and updated. You can click the Edit link and make any changes you like whenever you want.